Powerworld. Founded in Shenzhen, Guangdong in 2004, has focused on R&D and manufacturing of air source heat pumps and cooling solutions for 22 years. We are simply the reliable partner behind your success. Over 60 R&D engineers, more than 200 patents, an annual R&D investment exceeding 10% of revenue. Minus 45 degrees Celsius extreme low temperature lab. Internationally certified noise lab. These have forged our leadership in R290 eco-friendly refrigerant technology. Cumulative shipments exceed 1 million units, zero safety incidents. Heat pumps for heating and cooling, swimming pool heat pumps, heat pump water heaters, industrial air conditioners, energy storage liquid cooling unit, refrigeration unit for cold storage, and chillers, food product coverage, one-stop sourcing. Over 200 international certifications covering Europe, North America, Australia, and the Middle East. Full customization of appearance, controller, and refrigerant. Rapid sample delivery for in-stock models. Batch delivery as fast as 25 days. Located in the core supply chain circle of the Greater Bay Area, 90% of components are sourced within a 50 kilometers radius. 200,000 square meters intelligent manufacturing base. 13 flexible production lines. 2 million units annual capacity. Fully automated online inspection systems. Every product is 100% fully inspected before shipment. Our products reach over 60 countries with sales volume exceeding 1 million units, providing zero-carbon heating for millions of families and businesses worldwide. A 5,000 square meter service center in Germany, local support, spare parts ready. We're building more centers across Europe and globally. Professional manufacturing, local service. From rapid sample delivery to fast batch shipping, we stay with you. Powerworld, your global heat pump sourced factory. Your brand. We customize.